Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked on multiplexers. Consider the following multiplexer where I0, I1, I2 and I3 are the data input lines selected by two address line combinations A1, A0, meaning that A1, A0 are the two select lines. Guys, you know the meaning. When I am saying that is 4 to 1 multiplexer, you are going to have 4 input lines and 2 select lines, right? Those 2 select lines inputs they have given as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 respectively, and F is the output of the multiplexer and En is the enable input. Guys, you know the meaning, right? En means enable input, which means if your circuit is going to get 1 as input, the circuit is going to be activated. Activated means it is going to work as per the given requirement. When you are going to get En value as 0, the circuit is going to be deactivated and it is going to produce always 0, meaning that it is not working. It's like enable means we can say that it's like switch on and switch off. When 1 it is switch on, when 0 it is switch off, right? Yes. So how the values are taking here? So I0 value is x, I1 value is also x, I2 value is y, I3 value is not get they are using here y bar. A1 select line input is again a y bar only, and A0 value is simple z, and enable value is z bar. Enable value is z bar, right? So now guys, how can you solve this one? See, when you are going to have enable, so what you have to do, you have to get the functions, right? So the output will be based on the enable. So enable value into you are going to have A1 bar, A0 bar into I0 plus A1 bar, A0 into I1 plus A1, A0 bar, I2 plus A1, A0 into I3. This is the corresponding function that is going to be generated. But in place of these like select lines and inputs, you have to make sure with the given values, right? So what is the enable input? Enable input is z bar, A1 bar and A0 bar. So A1 bar is what? So simply I can write it as A1 is y bar. So y bar whole bar into A0 is z bar, I0 is x plus A1 bar. So y1 bar whole bar into A0 is z. I1 is again x plus A1 is y bar, A0 bar is z bar, I2 is y plus A1 is y bar, A0 is z, I3 is y bar. I3 is y bar, right? Guys, try to observe here. If you are going to say that here, if you are trying to solve it, when this circuit is going to be activated, whenever your z bar value is 1, when you are saying that your z bar value is 1, I can say that circuit is activated. When I am saying that this z bar is wants to activate, what about the z value? Z value should be 0. Z value should be 0. If I say that z value is 0, z bar is what? 1. And here z value is 0, here z bar is 1, z value is 0. Right? Now you can able to simply wipe out this one because 0 into anything is 0. This also you can able to wipe it out, 0 into anything is 0. So finally you are going to get the expression z bar into, so y bar whole bar, so that is x into y. So y bar whole bar is y only, right? Plus, so here you can y into y bar is 0, right? So plus 0 you are going to get simply x bar into y is our answer, right? So which is matched with option A. So guys, you have to make sure the respective options, right? So what to be give the at the input level. Okay, fine. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.